Hi, welcome to my channel, Ranvijay with you, and today we are going to discuss how we can integrate Zoho Mail to our existing hosting service provider. Like you may be having your hosting service from Justhost, from HostGator, and from different hosting service providers, but this video is especially dedicated to those people who are sharing hosting accounts with justhost.com and those who are facing difficulties integrating Zoho to Justhost. So let's start how we can go for it. To start with Zoho Mail, the first thing we will have to do is to create an account with Zoho, and for that we got two options. The first one is Zoho email, that is business email. The second one is personal email. I think most of us are here for a corporate reason. That's the reason I must suggest you should go for a business email. So what you can do, you can go and select business email, then click on sign up. This will land you to a page which will define different pricing structures like the free, then paid, then pro, then enterprise, because Zoho is having different pricing methods. The first one is free, then standard, then pro, then enterprise. Here we are going to choose the first one, which is free, which is offering us 25 users, means 25 different email accounts, free domain accounts, means business email accounts. So what you will have to do is you will have to sign up and then you can start using Zoho. Before that you will have to do some settings and then you can access your domain, then access your email on your preferred domain name. So let's suppose that you already created an account with Zoho here and now you are going to log in. So what we can do, we can start with the username and password we used while creating our account as our login credentials. So here is mine, which I already have done, means I have already created an email account, an admin account here. Now I can click on sign in. Here you can see like it's workplace.zoho.com with /servicelist.2. So here currently we are accessing our mail through Zoho subdomain, but in future I will let you know how you can access your mail with your preferred domain name like mail.yourdomainname.com. That's a subdomain from where your employees, anybody can access who got authorization to access email can access your corporate email from there. Now I'm going for mail, so I can click on mail, and as we have just created an admin account, so let's see what are the next instructions for us to start with. Once you will log in, you will come to this page which will show like welcome email to you, but to make a setup you will have to go to control panel, which is here. From control panel you will have to go to domains. In domain you will have to add a domain name. I'm going to add Udhar card. Now once I will add a domain here, you can add your own domain name which you are trying to have a corporate email address. Now it's asking me to verify my domain, so I can't do it later. I will have to do it now so that I can have a smooth operation of my email accounts. So here I am clicking on verify your domain. Here in the left, you can see there are the progress spans like verify domain, add users, create groups, configure email delivery, SPF, DKIM, email migration, client configuration, mobile access. So it will be done step by step. Here the first option is to verify the ownership of udharcard.com, and here to verify it I will have to first choose the DNS manager, means the hosting service provider, and I can't see justhost.com here, so I will select others. After selecting others, it provided with some options to verify my domain. The first option is Cname method, the second one is text method, the third one is HTML method. Here we are going with the first option, that is Cname method, and for that we will have to log into our hosting service account. For me it's Justhost. I am already logged into it, and I am going to control panel here. From there I can access my DNS, that is domain name server, and I can manage my name exchange and other resources. Sorry, I guess the session timed out, so I will have to log in again. Here I'm on my control panel. From here I will have to go to DNS zone editor. In DNS zone editor, here you can see that from here I can select the domain which I want to verify. I have added udharcard.com here, so I want to verify udharcard.com here only. So I am going to select udharcard. Now it will show all the A records, Cname, mail exchange records, Txt records, and IPv6 records. As per this suggestion, what I have to do, the first thing is to create a Cname with this option. So I will copy this, copied. Now I am here, I pasted it in host record, then selected Cname, and from Cname I can see like it has also suggested to points to or destination like zmverify.zoho.com. So I again copied it and pasted it here. Successfully added, which I can see here in Cname. Yes, it has been added. Now I can go to domain setup and see whether this has been added or not. To check that, I can proceed to Cname verification. So it's verified now. Now what I can do, as it is, as you can see, like it say like Cname records has been created. So we successfully created the Cname, and after successful creation of the Cname, we got a suggestion to verify that. So we clicked on verify that, and later on it was verified, and we are seeing like it's a green sign here, verify domain. Now we are moving further for add users, which I skipped. See it. Then I skipped create groups. Where I am currently now is configure email delivery, which is very much important for receiving and sending emails. And for that we will have to create MX records of Zoho. And to create MX records, we will have to go to Justhost account, and there we will have to create MX records. See it, I have just created. For that, what you can do, you can see it was suggested to keep @ sign here. Then you have to select type MX, then it should be pointed to mx.zoho.com. So I copied it and I'm going to paste it here. Then next is priority, and priority is 10. So I'm keeping the priority 10 here. Next step would be to add record. So you will click on add record. Once you will click on add record, you will see successfully added records notification here, and simultaneously you will see the records in MX area here. Priority 10, host record @mxzoho.com, and TTL. So here we have already created MX record. Now what we need to do is to check MX we have created or not. So we will click on MX lookup. And yes, it shows the status is green, and it shows that MX record has been created. So now we will move to next step, SPF. And to create an SPF, here we are suggested to create a Txt record. And to create a Txt record, we will again go to our Justhost DNS zone editor. We will select hostname @, copied it, then pasted it here. Then it's asking for Txt value. So first thing we will have to do is to select Txt here and paste the Txt value here. Now what will happen? Here you can see there is no Txt record. So I will add record here. And record successfully added is here. Next is email migration, which I am skipping. Mail client configuration I am skipping. Mobile access I am skipping. Then I am directly visiting go to control panel. In control panel, I can go to domains, and I can see here the domain name. Okay, verified, mail hosting done, MX records done. Doesn't worry, you don't need to worry if it's showing like SPF warning, records or something, because we already created that. Now the most important thing here is how we will get our custom login URL. To create a custom URL, login URL, what you will have to do is to go to your DNS zone editor in your Justhost account. The first thing you will have to do is to delete this mail a record. So I'm deleting this. And again, I'm going to create a Cname. Here, mail.udharcard.com. Then Cname, select Cname, and it will points to business.zoho.com. I will add this record. Record successfully added. Wow, here we can see that. Now what we need to do now? Most probably it should be propagated within next 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or maximum by 1 hour, or sometimes it may take up to 4 hours, 5 hours, or 6 hours. So I'm just going to say it. I'm going to whether it has been propagated or not, whether I can access the custom URL or not. So firstly I will have to log in from here, log out from here. Now I will try to log in via custom mail URL. mail.udharcard.com. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it has been propagated, and you can see mail.udharcard.com/custom login, and from here I can access admin account, so guys, if you like the video and you think it was helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so that you will be always updated with my upcoming videos on different tips related to technology, business, economics, and marketing. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you are having a good time. Thank you. Bye-bye.